Hi everybody! Welcome back to Desert DIY. If you are new here, my name is Corey. I have a quick video for you of a furniture flip that I just recently did. It was a side table that I got for free and I fixed it up and I ended up reselling it. It was a piece I didn't really need for my home, but I just didn't want to see it go to a dumpster. So I fixed it up, gave it some new life, and sent it off to its new home. So here's how I did it. I have finished with the first coat and I let it dry, but I wanted to show you a trick that I do when I'm painting and I need to do a couple coats and have to wait for dry time. I put my paintbrushes inside a Ziploc bag so that way they don't dry out and I don't have to wash them and reuse them. I can just put them in the bag and then they're ready to go as soon as my second coat is ready to start. I went into my garage to get my sandpaper and I found a scrap wood. It's a piece of pine, I believe it's just a 1x4. But I found one that's the exact size that I need to cover this hole on here. So I'm going to throw some paint on this and then I'm going to distress and sand the piece. Now I'm going to take these old nails that I reclaimed from somebody who was throwing away a bucket full of nails. And I'm going to pre-hammer them into this piece of wood. And then I'm going to hold it up here and finish hammering it in. It would just be a lot harder if I didn't do this part first. How to get a new nail. That other one went all bendy on me. Originally I had planned to use another one of these up here, but I actually changed my mind because I want more of a garden theme to be obvious instead of just only when you open the doors. So I'm going to glue on these keys. Kind of reminds me of like a secret garden vibe or something like that. But I'm going to glue these keys on here with Gorilla Super Glue and let it dry. if you were inspired by this project and if you want to see more like this project, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye!